Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to show this new wind muff that I picked up. They come in a pack of 2. They're about 12 bucks on Amazon. I was getting a lot of wind noise in my POV footage and it just honestly didn't sound great. So this was a cheap solution that I found that I wanted to try and check out and just kind of share my findings with you. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it and hope you guys enjoy the video.
So here we go. Oh man, grip for days. With it being a little tacky from raining. Usually it's so dry. You really got to watch yourself on flat corners. Whew. All right, so we got to climb back up to get to the start of that trail again. That whole loop there is 2.5 miles, so we're gonna put in a fair distance when we're done with this, but I'll save you the climb here. That's not very fun to watch.
A few moments later.
This section right through here is probably the fastest. Probably gonna sound the worst. Got whacked by that bush a little bit. All right.